A+ലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the ENCLAPS channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hello. We learnt about hydrocarbons, right? Then imagine if a new member is coming to our friend circle. What will happen? Yes, the character of the new member will affect the nature of our group, right? In the similar way, when an atom or group of atoms coming into our hydrocarbons by replacing hydrogen atom, it will alter the total nature of the organic compounds. Such atoms or group of atoms have a common name. They are called functional groups. So what are functional groups? The presence of certain atoms or group imparts certain characteristic properties to organic compounds or hydrocarbons. Such groups or atoms are called functional groups. Let's meet some functional groups. First one, OH group. The name of this functional group is hydroxyl group. The organic compounds having OH functional groups are called alcohols. Clear? So, this is an alkane, ethane, right? When OH groups comes by replacing an hydrogen atom, it converts to an alcohol. The properties of an alkane and an alcohol are different. Clear? Okay. Now we are going to give the IUPAC names to alcohol. Here are two alcohols. What is the difference between the two? Yes, the position of functional group changes. In the second compound, the functional group is present as a branch in the second carbon atom. Here also, the numbering should done in such a way that the carbon atom having the functional group should get the lowest number. So what is the name of first alcohol? When we numbering from left, the carbon atom having functional group get the number 3. And when we numbering from right to left, the carbon atom having functional group get the number 1. So the numbering from right to left is proper. So what is the name? We have to replace the E of corresponding alkane with ol. Before that, we have to mention the position of OH group. In the first compound, there are 3 carbon atoms. So the word root is prop and the corresponding alkane is propane. We have to replace E with ol. Before that, we have to mention the position of OH group. What is the position of OH group? 1, right? So, propan, then put a hyphen, then the position of OH group, that is 1, propan hyphen 1, then put a hyphen, propan hyphen 1 hyphen ol. So, what is the name of that alcohol? Propan 1-ol. In the second compound, the OH group is attached to second carbon atom. So, what is the name of that alcohol? Here also, the main chain contains 3 carbon atom. So, the word root is prop, corresponding alkane is propane, and we have to replace E with ol. So, propan, then position of OH group 2-ol. Propan 2-ol is the name of this alcohol. Now we know how to give IUPAC names to alcohols. If the name of an alcohol is given, we can draw the structure of that alcohol. Butan 2-ol. How can we draw the structure? First, we have to draw the carbon chain. Here the word root is but. So the main carbon chain contains 4 carbon atoms. First we have to draw that. Then the OH group is present in second carbon atom. It's clear from the name itself, right? Butane 2-ol. The OH group is attached to second carbon atom. So we have to draw the OH group on second carbon atom. Then what is next step? Yes, we have to fill the hydrogen atom in this structure to satisfy the valencies of carbon atom. So this is the structure of butane 2-ol. CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH3. Clear? So this is about hydroxyl functional group. Next functional group is carboxyl functional group. Carboxylic group. In this group, one oxygen atom is doubly bonded to carbon atom and one oxygen atom is singly bonded to carbon atom. And a hydrogen atom is attached to singly bonded oxygen atom. And one valency of carbon atom is free. Carboxylic group is COOH group. Organic compounds having carboxylic functional group is known as carboxylic acids. Okay. Now we are going to name the carboxylic acids. We give IUPAC name to carboxylic acid by replacing E of corresponding alkane with oic acid. That means E should be replaced with oic acid. Let's take an example. CH3COOH. It is an acid. How many carbon atoms are there? 2 carbon atoms, right? So what is the name of alkane having 2 carbon atom? Ethane, right? Then we have to replace E with oic acid. What will we get? Ethanoic acid, right? So, the name of carboxylic acid having 2 carbon atom is ethanoic acid. The common name of ethanoic acid is acetic acid. You are familiar with acetic acid, right? It is the main component of vinegar. Then, what will be the name of carboxylic acid having 1 carbon atom? We know that if the carboxylic acid contains 1 carbon atom, the word root is meth. Corresponding alkane, methane. And we have to replace E with oic acid. We get methanoic acid. The common name of methanoic acid is formic acid. The acid present in ants is methanoic acid or formic acid. Clear? Then what will be the name of carboxylic acid having 3 carbon atom? CH3, CH2, COOH. Propanoic acid. One thing that should be taken care here is if the functional group contains carbon atom, it should also be treated as the part of main chain of carbon atoms. Clear? For example, CH3, CH2, COOH. Including the carbon atom of functional group, how many carbon atoms are here? 3 carbon atom. So corresponding alkane, propane. By replacing E with oic acid, we get propanoic acid. Clear? What is the name of carboxylic acid having 4 carbon atom? Yes, butanoic acid. If 5 carbon atoms are present, it is pentanoic acid. If 6 carbon atoms are present, it is hexanoic acid. Clear? So this is about alcohol and carboxylic acid. See you later. Bye bye.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ എൻക്ലാപ്സ് ദ ലേണിംഗ് ആപ്പ്.